And we're back. I have another victim. Her name is Dawn. And Dawn, I want to ask you a couple of questions. I know I asked you earlier, but tell me again, where are you from?
I live in Winter Park, but I was born in New York.
You were born in New York. Okay, so how long have you been in Florida?
Since the mid-'80s.
Mid-'80s. You're a person that, would you like outside? We were just talking about that she likes to do stuff outside, which I love to do. What do you look for in a companion? I mean, what are the characteristics that you look for? I know you like good weather and stuff like that, so you probably like somebody who's energetic and like to do stuff outside.
I like somebody that I can just be myself with, somebody that I could just go to garage sales with or go to the beach with or enjoy some of the Florida activities I like to do, such as rollerblading, swimming, biking, and just a general overall companion.
Very good, very good. If you were to summarize love with 3 words, what would those be?
I think that love is hard to obtain, but once you find it, I think you need to cultivate it and hold on to it. And I think love is always changing, so you constantly have to feed into it. And I'm a big romantic at heart, and I think that's just applying a lot of love and little things to make it work. So I would sum it up, though, as honesty, trust, and just going that little extra mile for the other person.
You know, it's funny. Somebody else told me today, and you got 2 out of the 3 words. His 3rd word was understanding, and you had it there. So that's pretty good. That's pretty interesting. Now, okay, what were you going to say?
I would say whoever I'm with would need to have a lot of understanding, because sometimes I can be difficult.
Hey, we all can. We'll have our bad days. Excuse me. All right? I don't feel good. I don't want to see you. Just get away. But I got another question for you. What do you think is the connection between, if there is one, between movies and romance?
I think movies set the stage for romance. If you can think to the romantic movies that I like, with Tom Hanks or any of those remakes or any of the classic films, I think they all come from the big black and white movies. I don't know if they're making movies as well. A lot of people think they aren't, that the old-time classics with Spencer Tracy and all the older movies were where it was at. But I think they're getting there. I think there's a lot of new remakes coming out, such as Sabrina. And I just love movies. I think it's a perfect date. It's something you can talk about. It sets the tone. And I just saw Shakespeare in Love, and if you don't see that with your someone special, I think you're missing a lot.
I heard about that movie, Shakespeare in Love. I heard it was really, really good. I want to go check it out. So that's very good, very interesting, Dawn. Thank you very much for sharing with us. Okay,
Bye-bye.
I'll see you. Bye-bye. Poor little girl, she was so nervous. Thank you for sharing with us. Very well. All right, so I think we're going to go check out the inside of the room now and see what people are doing. We have a couple of people also that I'm going to interview, so just stick around. We'll be right back.
If you're enjoying the Michelle Valentine Show, you will love her new travel TV show, Love, Eat, Travel. Follow Michelle Valentine as she travels the world, showcasing the most beautiful destinations, unique adventures, romantic things to do, delicious foods, and more. Visit www.loveeattravel.tv for more information about an upcoming TV show.
Hi, this is Michelle Valentine, and I would love if you followed me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Be sure to visit my website, michellevalentine.tv, for more information, read thousands of interesting blog posts, watch videos, enter sweepstakes, and more. Also, be sure to join my email list to receive my free weekly e-newsletter.
Are you wondering where all the quality singles are? Singles that are attractive, educated, and financially secure? Hello, I'm Michelle Valentine, and I've helped thousands of singles live a happier life, and I can help you too. Clients and members include millionaires, models, doctors, lawyers, and teachers. So call us for your complimentary consultation.